Okay, so this is the wonderful Greens family. Say hi, everybody.
Say hi.
Zoey, say hi. Greysen, don't be shy. And this is their wonderful mom, Valerie. Val, how long have you been seeing Dr. Nada for?
4.5 years now.
And what brought you here?
I started coming to see Dr. Nada for sciatic nerve problems after I gave birth to my second child, which I have not had pain through my third pregnancy. I came and was getting adjustments and it was wonderful. Definitely nice.
That's great. And I know Zoey, she's the star.
She wants a turn. Okay, honey. Zoe's turn.
And
Ready?
I know that you've been a patient of Dr. Nada's consistently. So how has chiropractic care affected the kids?
So kids naturally fall and and have mild injuries, and it's helped in the respects to keep them going. I noticed that when they might fall and I haven't come to the chiropractor, as soon as I come, there's definitely a difference in their mood,
Right.
And things like that. Because I think when they're in pain, they can't tell us. So it's important that when they do get corrected and their spine's aligned.
Yeah.
Is that how you say it? You can edit that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
That they seem to definitely. There's a noticeable change.
Okay, and can you tell us a little bit about Zoe's story?
Yes.
This is little Zoey on the table.
Yes. So I can also even touch. Yes. So I can touch base on Zoey. So Zoey, around 1 year old, started having absence seizures, and so they were happening quite frequent, and she started getting more symptoms as time progressed. And because I don't really like to I didn't want to medicate her, I was looking for other options that were more natural options and to help her, and Dr. Nada suggested that we try more frequent visits and adjustments for her. And I did notice a change. The seizures have actually stopped. She hasn't had any since we
just did a month or 3 times a week, right?
Yeah, and it really, it stopped it. And she hasn't had any more seizures, so it's great.
Yeah, that's great. Well, thanks,
and I mean, I can even touch base with Greysen. Yep. Greysen, he has rickets, and before we started adjusting him more frequently, he was falling a little bit more. His feet were turned in and stuff like that, and he doesn't have that. He doesn't have that anymore. He's now able to move more quicker with his friends because he's now in school. And I'm noticing that he's able to be okay. He's able to be more active the way that he wants to be. His body's not in the way of that anymore due to constantly being adjusted. It's definitely helping him out. Yeah, for sure.
That's great. Okay, well, thanks, guys. Say bye.
Thank you. Say bye.